video we will see how to fix printer fail to accept print command on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of printer related issue, printer not accepting your print command, then here are the fixes. Possible solution is, first one is unplug the printer cable completely. All the cable, power cable as well as printer cable disconnected, unplugged from your PC. And after that, right click on start button and go to run dialog box. Here in run command box, type services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. In services windows, look for the services print spooler services. Scroll down and you will find print spooler services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and click on stop. Windows is and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter close the services windows or minimize it. Thereafter plug in to your all your cable, printer cable as well as power cable again on your with your printer to your PC, and again right click on start button and choose run. And if you have already minimized them, then maximize services windows or type services.msc in search field of run command box and click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here again go to print spooler services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and start print spooler services. Click on services status, click on start and set a startup type as automatic from the drop down menu, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your printer accepting your command or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here in command prompt Windows, execute the command net stop a spooler. Press enter. The printer spooler service is stopping, successfully stopped, and thereafter open File Explorer. Here go to C drive where your program files exist, and here scroll down and open Windows. Here scroll down and you will find the option System32. Open it. Here scroll down and open a spool. Open it. Here open printers, and if you found any contents on this folder, simply select it and choose delete. All its contents should be deleted. Thereafter again go to command prompt Windows and type the command net start a spooler. The printer spooler service is starting, and after that check whether your printer accepting your command or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings. Here from the right side go to troubleshoot, click on it, choose other troubleshooters, and here run printer troubleshoot. This is a very important inbuilt tool, troubleshoot, so you must run printer troubleshoot. And after that check whether your printer accepting your command or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Bluetooth and devices, and here click on printer and scanners. From the right side, here go to your printer and open it and remove it. And after some times, again connect your printer with your PC by clicking on add device. Your problem will definitely resolved.